Hi, this is the Amazing Sea Turtle. Today is the new movie, Freebirds. Reggie was just an ordinary turkey when he was not allowed to go to the red turkey's turf. Then he was taken by the president to become the Thanksgiving turkey. Till that, he was sent to Camp David, where he was eating pizza and watched TV. But until that, he was kidnapped with a bag by Jake, a red buffy turkey. When they get there, Jake's tried to shush Reggie's mouth so he wouldn't make any noise. So they break into the government's lab and go to a time machine where they take him to the first Thanksgiving to stop turkeys from becoming holiday meals. Yes. When they get to the first Thanksgiving, they just found a whole colony of turkeys. Reggie found love on the turkey colony, Jenny. Reggie and Jenny have in common, but they got a crush on each other. So yes. But until that, their plan is to stop those pilgrims from hunting and eating turkeys for Thanksgiving. So that's their plan. So this movie is starred Owen Wilson, Woody Harrelson, and Amy Poehler. So yes. Anyway, who now? This movie is great for Thanksgiving, but I suggest you watch it right now before it's gone. So yes, or on DVD, so okay. So, Freebirds is now playing in any theaters, so check your local theaters for tickets and showtimes, but yes. Anyway, who now? That's all I know about Freebirds, so I'll see you next time. Goodbye.